We are glamming up after a 9 to 5 shift. So if any one of you works 9 to 5, you work a regular job at the office or retail or anywhere else, and you suddenly want to go to a good dinner, here is another one of my tips about changing your clothes from day to evening. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jackie D and my channel is about empowerment, fitness, wellness, and feeling good about yourself. It's about embracing your age. You know, I'm 60 and I know that we women can be very critical about ourselves. We judge ourselves so much. So the only way to counter that self-judgment is to feel good. And that's what I am here for. By the way, do you like my lips? No Botox, but I have discovered how to make my lips a little bit fuller. I'll do a little tutorial in another video, so stay tuned. Okay, let's dive right in. So let's say you're working and then suddenly you have to go out for dinner and you have no time to dress up. So all you have to do is have a skirt ready in your bag, or have some accessories, or just do something about your top, and we're good. So the first thing that you can do is maybe wear something that's already suitable for the night too when you go to work. And then that way you don't have to worry about changing your top. So in this case, you can wear something silky and maybe dark in color, red, black, deep blue, or whatever, gold. And then you can just wear it comfortably. You can wear it on top of your jeans. In my case, I am wearing these tight fall leather pants. But of course, because you're having some fancy dinner or nice dinner, you want to look a little bit more dressed. So loosen those buttons at the bottom, tie a knot, that way you look more put together, and then it elongates your legs a little bit there. And don't forget, the color of your shoes should match your pants. This also makes you look leaner or taller. Like in my case, I'm 5'1.5", so I can't really be wearing loose clothes and loose pants because that's just going to make me look so stocky, you know, illusion. Okay, so that's one style. Now if you're wearing jeans, you can definitely still look as good. Just tuck your shirt in. You know, there's a lot of magic when you tuck a loose top in your pants, because somehow it still creates that form while not showing too much off. Like if you want to hide your tummy, you know, that hides it a little bit, you know, that's another trick. Well, you'll notice that this top that I'm wearing is really large. It's larger than me. But see, I love wearing large clothes because I can just roll the sleeves, or I can play with them. I can play with my collar or things like that. You have a lot of choices. Of course, I try to stick to my size as much as possible, but this just goes to show that if you're wearing something loose, you can definitely carry that very gracefully and nicely. This skirt is very, very cute, and I accessorized with one of my favorite belts. This is an Aldo belt. So you see, your clothes should never really stop you from feeling good. This channel is all about feeling good, and that's why I always talk about fitness and wellness, eating healthy, sleep as much as you can, drink lots of water, meditate, pray, be grateful. It's all about loving life and being grateful for life. It's all about finding the good things in people, the good things in what's happening to us, no matter how difficult the day can be. You know, there's always something good out of every difficult situation, as long as we know how to find them. It's all about finding that light when you're in the dark. If you're loving this episode, hit that like button and comment. I hope we can chat again, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then hopefully you can learn some from my tips and messages and inspiring stories, because that's what I want to be here for. Now if you're on Instagram, come follow me. My handle is TheRealD, and I hope to see you there too. For now, enjoy the autumn air. Don't forget, you can exercise at home. If you can't hike outside, if you can't run outside, you can always do your workouts at home. A healthy body creates a healthy mind, and a healthy mind creates a healthy body. That's how the cycle goes. Thanks for joining me.